Okay, number 2, it says that KQR is translated so that R is mapped onto R prime. Which ordered pair best represents either K prime or Q prime? Well, first we have to figure out, how did R become R prime? So R was originally at -2, -3, and then it came up here to 2, 0. So how does a -2 become a 2? Well, we would add 4. So we take our x value and add 4. And how does a -3 become 0? Well, we would take our y value and add 3. So this multiple choice question is saying, where does K or Q go? It could be either one. We don't know. So we just have to figure out both of them. So K, we want to move to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want to move up 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is K prime, and that's at point -2, 5, which isn't our answer choice. So we have to look at Q. We're going to go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3. So Q prime is at -3, -2, which is J. Okay, number 4, it says if quadrilateral TUVW is reflected across the x-axis, so reflected across this axis here, to become quadrilateral T prime, U prime, V prime, W prime. What's the coordinates of W? So basically it's just asking us to reflect W across the x-axis. So W is 1, 2 units away from the x-axis going down, so we need to go 1, 2 units up from the x-axis going up. And that's at point -4, 2, which is G. Okay, number 6, we have a trapezoid and it wants us to graph under the given reflection, so we want to graph it in the y-axis. So we have vertices 0, -3, 1, 2, 3. We have E is 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. F is 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And G is 4, -3. And it wants us to reflect it in the y-axis. So we take each of those points and we reflect over the line y, or the y-axis. So this point is 1 away from the y-axis, so we draw another point here, which is 1 away from the y-axis. This point is 1, 2, 3 away from the y-axis, so we draw another point 1, 2, 3 away from the y-axis. This point is going to remain on the y-axis because it's on the y-axis and you can't flip it over the y-axis if it's on it. And this point is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the y-axis, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the y-axis this way. And then we're going to make it into a pretty little trapezoid. Not very pretty, but that is a reflected image. Okay, number 8, we have a square. K is -1, 0. L is -2, 3. M is 1, 4. And N is 2, 1. And we want to reflect over the x-axis this time. So we figure out how far away each point is from the x-axis. So it's 1 away on this side, so we go 1 down on this side. It's on the x-axis here, so that stays there. This is 1, 2, 3 away, so we go 1, 2, 3. And this point is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the x-axis, so we go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will connect our lines again to make them both into squares. And there's the reflection along the line X, or along the x-axis. Okay, number 10, we have a rectangle with vertices -8, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. R is -8, 2. S is negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. And T is negative 3, positive 4. And all it's saying is we're going to add 2, so we're going to go to the right 2 and up 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 will be Q prime. Right 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 will be T prime. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 will be R prime. And then S prime would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, S prime. And let me connect those so you can see originals. Q to T, S to R, and then connect these as well.